All right, good morning. Today's project is outside organization. So we've got, when we moved out of the apartment, we moved everything kind of quick. And we got rid of some stuff, but not everything. So we ended up with a bunch of extra stuff that we're kind of storing. So here it is. Alright, so bikes, okay, those are all important and good and great. Motorcycle rack for the truck, I need something to do with that. When we did the remodel, we took out a bunch of doors and different things, so those are kind of stored over there. I'm going to get rid of those. The biggest thing, and I had this organized initially, but like just from the kids taking stuff out and putting stuff in, this storage area, I thought there was a light, not that it's going to help, but this storage area needs to be totally emptied. It goes all the way through to the other side, totally emptied and reorganized. I'll show you on the other side. This is it. So this has been kind of the tool side, and then the other side's kind of the grab what we need when we need it for the kids or going to the pool or whatever side. So I'm going to keep it that same theme, but for starters I'm going to pull everything out and lay it all out and then start to reorganize. Who else struggles with just the accumulation of stuff? Leave a comment down below. And when you're throwing stuff out, you gotta do it when the kids aren't looking. Alright, that's everything out of this side, except for the fishing poles. I don't want to pull on them if there's something on them. See, just a bunch of random accumulation of junk. Could be better organized. The chairs are important, but some of the other stuff could be organized much better. Dude. Alright, had to take an intermission to cook breakfast. Let's knock the rest of this out. Smoothie break.
I know that he's right on fire.
Alright, so we've got this side organized. This stuff here goes in a camping box and toolbox and stuff. So I'm gonna need to move a few other things. But we're gonna take a break and go to the gem mining place. So we'll check back in. Where are you going, Walt? So the audio messed up on this clip, but we just got back from gem mining and it had rained, so we're getting everything cleaned up and back in action. Hello.
Hello.
So this song is called When It's Good, It's Great. I like the title, and something that my grandfather used to always say is every day is a good day. That's something that stuck with me and I try to pass along to people that I meet, and I just thought this song was pretty fitting. When it's good, it's great. Alright, so we've made some progress on top of the deck. Now there's some trash down here. That's all there's. Hey bud. Alright, I'm going to pause until the next phase. Alright, going to try to finish mission cleanup around here. And let's see. So I've never owned a electric weed whacker before, but given our space constraints and the fact that it was on sale for 29 bucks, I got one to try out. So I'm gonna get that out of the box and give it a shot. Alright, that thing doesn't work too bad. Let's move around and do the other side. Alright. That chore was long overdue, and it is done. Alright. Now, so the reason I got this small thing is so it'll fit in there with all the rest of the tools. So, while I'm over here, I'm going to go ahead and quickly organize this side. So, set you up to watch that. Alright. So much junk accumulation. But, hey, what are you gonna do? Alright, so this extension cord I have is too short to reach like over here the rest of what I want to do, so I'll have to get another one. Alright, so there's some other junk I want to clear out of here. I'm gonna get that and haul it around to the truck. Alright, I am working on the last phase of this outdoor cleanup video, and weed whacker string came out of the thing. So I had a little more to weed whack, but didn't have enough. There we go. But didn't have enough extension cord. So I went and got more extension cord. So I should have enough. So let's get set up and I'll show you the rest of the cleanup and then we will be done. I am determined to finish this, and I am so close. Alright, 2 extension cords, a few issues with the weed whacker string later, and I am done. here, got that all cleaned up. Well, maybe I'll knock down those few tall things right there. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that semi cleanup and organization video. I still don't know what I'm going to do with the bikes. I think I need to build a little storage shed or something like that. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe and let me know in the comments your, I guess, most challenging RV organization thing, and stay tuned. Ta-da!